And wilt in hot weather. And here's where I would rather be, and why. Barbara?
I think. Where I would rather be, I found out recently that one of my children are headed for Hawaii, which is my very favorite island in the Hawaiian Islands. I've been there twice, and if I were there and it's not usually scorching there, make a note of that. But I love to water enough that I could be out on the beach, I could be swimming, I could be snorkeling, I could be whale watching, I could do all kinds of things because I love being out. And summer is my very favorite time of year, even if it does get so hot. And I'd love to be out there. My second choice would be San Diego because the weather temperatures there are pretty even year-round. And I'd also have the privilege of visiting my youngest child if I were in San Diego. So there's two possibilities of where I could be to escape Wenatchee Valley and all the smoke. The heat isn't bothering us so much perhaps as the smoke is from all those fires, and realizing the devastation to people that has occurred because of those fires. All that we can do is just do what we can to help them and to pray for them. And that's what I've been doing pretty steadily. Thank you, Mary.